What's up guys? Let's make a Chinese classic, lo mein. Wow, look at that. This is so easy to make, guys. It's a great way to get rid of all the veggies. Crowd pleaser, and the kids love this. Perfect for game day, potlucks, and birthdays. The noodles is coated with the oyster sauce and soy sauce. And guess what? It's super easy to make. Let's dive into the recipe. Alright guys, so let's start off by marinating our meat. So I have my thinly sliced chicken breast ready. You can use chicken thighs if you want. So to this, I'm gonna go ahead and grate in some ginger. You can thinly slice them if you want. Some minced garlic. You can grate that as well if you want. Some baking soda. Baking soda is what they use at restaurant. It helps tenderize the meat. And a little bit of Shaoxing wine, a bit of black pepper or white pepper, a little bit of sesame oil. Combine and marinate well. Refrigerate, let this marinate while we work on the next step. Alright, to a wok or pan, we want to get it really hot. Add in my oil. Now it's hot, go ahead and add in your chicken. Want a little sear. Next, you're gonna add in some oyster sauce, light soy sauce or regular soy sauce, cornstarch. It's gonna help thicken in the sauce. Stir. This is about like 70 to 80% cooked. We don't want it overcooked. 4 cup of water. That will deglaze your wok or pan. Now I'm gonna throw in my veggies. My carrot, string beans, sliced cabbage, and bell peppers. Give this a stir. Now I'm going to add in another 4 cup of water. Stir. We're just going to let that cook for a minute or two. Brown or white sugar, just to balance out all the flavors. Stir. We want to cook down the veggies, especially the string beans are going to be harder to cook. And now we're going to add in our egg noodle. I got the pre-cooked one already. Alright. We're just going to mix and stir this well. Or bring down the heat to medium. And you're just going to gently coat all the sauce in. Now I'm gonna throw in my onions and chopped onions. Wow, look at that. All the veggies and meat just hanging onto this. And for some color, dark soy sauce. Shut off the heat, let it rest. Ready to serve. So easy to make. It's a good way to get rid of all those veggies. It's a crowd pleaser. Kids love it. Nowadays, our life is so busy. We want something fast. Noodles are just chewy and bouncy. The oyster sauce is so savory. And get that saltiness from the soy sauce. I'm gonna take a bite. I like to eat mine with extra sriracha. I can't believe that chicken breast is so moist. You know, with chicken breast, you would think that it would dry out, but in this case, the baking soda locks in that juice. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time.